Good morning. Today is Tuesday, May the 12th. Sorry, May the 12th, 2020. We are on day 30 in our CMS learning packet. Um, and make sure you pay attention at the end of this video. I will give you the first letter of the secret code for Friday. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today, again, about food chains. And I want to let you know that, you know what? You and me, we are part of a food chain as well. All right. Because we are living organisms. All living organisms need energy to survive. We get our energy from our food. So I want you to think about your favorite meal. Take a moment to think about what your favorite meal is. And I want you to think about the transfer of energy before that meal gets to you. Okay. So for me, fish is one of my favorite things to eat. So I love fish. So I thought about the transfer of energy, like a food chain for fish. Okay. So many fish eat plants and things that grow under the ocean. All right. So the sun would still grow, help those plants to grow, even though they're down in the ocean. The sun, the energy from the sun helps these plants to grow. Fish come along and eat the plants, and then I come along and eat the fish. Somebody catches the fish, cooks at a restaurant. So here is a picture of my food chain. So we've got the sun giving energy to the plants. The fish gets its energy from the plants in the ocean, and then I come along, and when I eat the fish, I get energy from the fish. So think about your favorite meal today and create a food chain um, for whatever that meal is, okay, for yourself. Okay, so be creative and think about that. And the secret letter for today is C. C is the secret letter. Bye, guys.